Good morning, everyone. It is now Wednesday, so we're starting off this vlog today. I did not just wake up. I was about to say I just woke up, but that's 100% a lie because I have a full face of makeup on. I just did my makeup though. If you want to see it, actually, let me just go right back here because the lighting is better right here. So what I did is I used that Morphe palette again, the one that I used yesterday. I'm obsessed with it. It's so pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with it. But so I used that again, and let me actually see. I'm trying to see if there's a better way to show you this. I have a ring light right here, as you can see, and I'm thinking, should I just plug in my ring light and show you? I may just do that. Give me 1 second, and I may just plug out my ring light really quick. Oh, that's very bright now, but you can see it better. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So starting with the lips here, this is the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in the shade Calabasas, and then going up to the eyes, I wanted to do like this, like, I can't even talk. It's like a reddish kind of rose gold, and I put some copper, and I used this Stila, what's it called? It is this stuff right here, the Stila Magnificent Metals, and this is in the color Kitten, I think? Kitten Karma. So these are really, really good. I love these. I need to get more shades, but I haven't got them yet. And then for the eyes, I used this same Morphe palette that we used yesterday. And I went in with this color right here. It's called Wingman. It's a very pretty rose gold color. And then I did that all over the lid. And then I used this one right here called Manhattan. And I did that one on the outer corner. And then I put in some of this color here and I just scratched it. I put in some of that right here over top of it. And then I used that Stila. And then I used that Stila on the inside corner here. I love this makeup look. I think it's so pretty. Hopefully you can see it. And the eyeliner that I used today is the Tarte Sex Kitten liner, and that one's really good as well. I feel so bad because I think I destroyed my Kat Von D tattoo liner by accident. I didn't do it on purpose. I loved that eyeliner, but yesterday when I was doing my wear test, when I was putting my makeup on, I lost the cap to it and I cannot find it anywhere. I watched back the footage yesterday and everything, and I cannot find it anywhere. I have turned my bed upside down. I checked underneath my bed, behind my bed, underneath my vanity, not my vanity, but like my nightstand here. Cannot find it anywhere. I literally think that my floor ate it because I can't find it. And I tried using it this morning and it's dry. It's just dried up and I feel so bad because I loved that eyeliner and I'll have to get another one. And I just got it like a week ago and I feel so bad. It's not the product's fault, it's my fault for being a dumb butt, but you know, it happens. I will definitely be getting another one because I loved that product. I'm just an idiot. But, and then I used the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, like always. And yeah, that's my look today. Did a little bit of Jeffree Star highlight, did a little contour. Yeah, that's what we're rocking with. I don't know what I want to do today. Now, one thing I do know that I am going to do is review the... well, not review, but more like a first impressions kind of thing, is this, the Morphe Nikita Dragun collab. I'm going to review that. The lipstick here, I am very excited about that. It is the Mega Matte Super Matte lipstick and in the color Dominate, so I am going to be reviewing that. I have already filmed that footage, so I have already reviewed it. I'm just going to go ahead and insert it into some part of this vlog, but I'm out of breath. I've been like walking around and talking so much. Does that ever happen to you? You just get out of breath? But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for now, but as soon as something interesting happens, I'll be sure to let you know. It's a little bit later on now, and I just finished taking some pictures for Instagram. I know, I'm so basic. But I love this. I'm just loving this eye look right now, so I just want to take a lot of pictures. I don't know, but I'm just hanging out for right now. I'm actually watching Jaclyn Hill. She's doing her quick glam, and I'm super excited for the 26th because her new Vault collection is releasing on the 26th. Super excited. I will most definitely be getting, or I'm going to try to anyways. I have it actually. I'm so like, this is how obsessed I am with like makeup and everything, and I actually am very new to Jaclyn's channel, and I've heard about her and everything whenever her Jaclyn Hill palette came out, so I definitely heard about her, but this is my first time really like, well, over the past couple of days, this is my first real experience like watching a lot of her videos and really seeing her, and she's freaking awesome. She's hilarious. She's great. So I will most definitely be getting at least one of her Vault collection palettes. I love that purple one. Super into that one. But yeah, no, I'm just chilling, just hanging out, about to actually eat some lunch. So what I'm actually going to go ahead and do right now for you is, this vlog may not be very long today because I do work. Ugh, got the gas. I do work later on tonight, so I do have to cut the vlog a little short. It's not going to be as long. But what I do want to go ahead and do for you guys is insert the footage of me doing the first impressions on the Nikita Dragun Morphe collaboration. Super excited for y'all to see it, and let's go ahead and get to it. Bye! Welcome to my floor. I have you set on like a box, because I wanted to film this really quickly, but I didn't really have a space to film with good lighting. So I'm on the floor, so hope that's okay. But I actually got my other package today from Morphe. It just came in, as you can see right there. And I know this is the lipstick because that's all I ordered. I don't know what vlog I'm gonna insert this footage into, but I wanted to go ahead and open this and do a quick little first impressions for you. So let's go ahead and, oh, that didn't work as well as I thought it would. Okay, oh, that was a little better, okay. Oh, I'm excited. Oh yeah. Cool. So like I said before, this is the Nikita Dragun's collaboration with Morphe, and she made these lipsticks. Here is the packaging. This is the Morphe packaging, and these do retail for $9 each. Yeah, actually very pretty packaging. I do like it. And this is in the shade Dominate. They have a few different other shades. I'll put the rest of the shades right up here for you. So let's go ahead, open this up. I'm very excited to try this. As you know, I love lipsticks so much. It's really kind of an obsession, really. But I'm excited. Ooh, this packaging. Okay, so I just opened it, and it's like slanted in there. Can you even see that? It's like slanted. Oh, that's cool. That is some really cool packaging. It's just a sleek black. It looks like a matte black finish with a glossy top here. And I believe the M is for Morphe. Just look at that. That's a really nice package. I like it anyways. Really nice packaging. And then when you, oh yeah, there's the logo. And when you open it, oh, the inside's red. I feel like I should know this because it's on the website, but I forgot the inside is red. That is so pretty. And then let me actually, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that shade looks. I see, like I said before, I love wearing reds. I love wearing reds, and there's a little M on the end. On the tip. I love wearing red lipstick. It's one of my favorites to wear. And yeah, let's just go ahead, and it says it is Mega Matte Super Matte. So it is apparently very, very matte. So sometimes with matte lipsticks it can be a bit drying, but we will find out. I had some chapstick on my lips before this, so I'm trying to wipe it off. And then I have my Jeffree Star highlighter here. I'm just going to use this as a mirror. And let's go ahead and just give this a swatch. I'm super excited. Should I do it on my hand first? Let's do that. Let's do it on my hand first. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty. Can you see that? That's definitely a pretty color. It is a bit pinker than I thought it was going to be from the look of it. I just spat. From the look, it looks to be a little bit darker, but I wonder what it'll be like actually on the lips. Could definitely look different. So let me see here. All right. And there we go. Yeah. This is, let me see if I can get a close up here. Now my application may not have been perfect, but look at that color. I do really love this color. It's a very bright lipstick. It does seem like a very blue toned lipstick, which I love. Blue tone reds are my favorites. So I will say, putting this on, it was definitely a little rough. It was a little hard getting on just because it is so matte. Now I will say it feels wonderful on the lips. It's not drying like I'm sure it's drying, but it does not feel to me like it's like or anything, you know, like my lips don't feel like they need anything extra like a gloss or anything, because I know some lipsticks, if it's super matte, can make your lips feel very dry and then you need to put like some kind of gloss over it. This does not do that. It is still very matte, it's very dry, but it still feels really, really good. It's super comfortable. I can wear this all day long and have no issues. But as you can see in the film here, it did take me a little bit of time to get this on, just because it is very, it's a very hard lipstick, if you will. I mean, I don't mean that as an insult by any means, but the formula that it is, it's very hard. And it's not like a liquid lipstick, and it's not liquid, it is an actual lipstick. So to make sure you get it inside the crevices and everything, and to not go like outside the line, it was a little bit longer because I'm used to liquid lipsticks, and that is no fault of this product. I'm just used to liquid lipsticks. That's all I pretty much use. This is the first actual lipstick that I've bought myself ever. Like actual lipstick. Because I like mattes. But yeah, I have to say that I really like this. I will 100% use it again. This is probably going to go inside my purse because I like it a lot. But yeah, that's going to be the review of the Morphe Nikita Dragun collaboration. And let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you got any of these. But thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate it. And let's just continue on with the vlog wherever it leaves off. Yeah, I hope you liked that. It was, I do really love that lipstick. I think it's really nice. So, Nikita Dragun, you did a great job. And Morphe, you did a great job. I like it a whole bunch. So, but I actually wanted to show you guys this and I don't know why, but I kind of redid my little area over here. Now this part right here needs to get fixed. That part I did not change, but I did take the other two things out of here that you've seen before. That tall container with the coffee beans in it, took that out, replaced it with this pretty mug, and also replaced that with this pretty owl mug as well. So a little bit nicer in here. It's a little bit cleaner. Make it look a little bit more adult, if you will. This still needs to get a sort through because it just looks awful. Oh, this can get thrown in the garbage because I am not going to use that anymore now that I have this puppy. Oh, I forgot about that. I need to try this. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I need to try that. Yeah, I'm just gonna hanging out now. I hope that you liked that little snippet. I just ate some lunch. I had my orzo stuff over there. I don't remember if I put this in a vlog before. It's orzo pasta, feta cheese, spinach, katamala olives. I think that's how you say it. And then you put balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Mix it up. So good. It's amazing. So good. Okay guys, so I am going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I have about an hour and a half before I have to go to work, or I assumed it is. It was a little, I was like, oh, we're kind of close. But I want to go ahead and end the vlog here. I really hope that you did enjoy the makeup and the first impressions on the Nikita Dragun Morphe lipstick. But yeah, I hope that you guys liked it. I had a really great time filming it. I love filming these vlogs. I say that every single time, but I really do. Honestly, I really, really love filming these vlogs. I think I'm gonna sneeze. Yep. Woo. One more for the kitties? No? Nope. But guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day / night wherever you are. If you thought the vlog was good, then give it a like and go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell if you want to. I will see you on Sunday with another video. Bye bye.